Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an iridescent geode. You're just going to need some iridescent sheets. You could buy them at Michael's, you can get the big roll, it's cheaper that way. On top I just have little crystal gems here. I lay it on the bottom because you can kind of see the iridescence come through the crystals over here, which gives it a cool effect. So usually I paint it white underneath, but for the sheets you're just going to leave it, you know, with just the iridescent sheet on top. I just want to say before we get started though, you definitely want to be wearing a ventilation mask. I know I have not been really wearing them in my videos, but I highly suggest getting one because the stuff is toxic when you breathe it in and you're really close to the canvas like I am, so just suggest wearing it. I'm gonna get started now. So this seems like a good place to leave it because I'm gonna have to do another layer to get over this ridge over here. But yeah, I like the color combo so far. I'll be back to do another layer soon. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some iridescent flakes on the stones over here. Just give it a little extra sparkle. Okay, so as you guys could see, I was struggling with this line over here. I was trying to keep it clear so you can see the iridescence, but it's hard with resin. It pours out pretty thick and then it gets really thin as it dries, so it kind of just disperses a lot. So something to look out for. You kind of want to pour less. I think I over poured on that, but I'm pretty happy with where it is right now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do another layer or not. So I'm gonna let it dry and see how that comes out. So I went ahead and took the tape off. I'm not gonna be doing another layer. I'm pretty satisfied with how it is right now. So you can see the iridescence coming up through the crystals, which is really cool. And then where I poured the clear resin. So this was just a regular iridescent sheet, and I actually painted the canvas underneath it a turquoise color so it would show through on the crystals. You could really paint it any color and it should, you know, have that iridescent shine to it, but with that color. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. If you could subscribe and like this video, that'd be amazing. I really appreciate all the support.